My magic pouch is shaking. It's time to learn. Let's go! Look, this is letter M. M is for monkey. M is for mouse.
M is for muffin.
Once upon a time, a hungry monkey was about to eat a giant, yummy blueberry muffin. Ooh-hoo! This is the biggest, most delicious. But when he looked away for just 1 second, his muffin started walking away all by itself. Huh? Wait a minute. Where's my breakfast going? Come back here.
The monkey picked it up and found a tiny, sneaky mouse hiding underneath. Oops. Busted. Please don't be mad, Mr. Monkey. It just smelled so good.
The monkey wanted to be angry, but then he saw how hungry the little mouse really was. Ow, I can't be mad at you.
So the kind monkey broke his giant muffin right in half and decided to share it. Here you go, little friend. And just like that, the monkey and the mouse became the best sharing buddies in the jungle. Squeak, squeak. Thank you, monkey. This is the best breakfast ever.
Look, this is letter N.
N is for Newt.
N is for newspaper. N is for nose. Once upon a time, a smart little Newt was relaxing and reading his morning newspaper. Let's see what the news is today.
But suddenly, a fuzzy little bee flew down and landed right on the tip of his nose.
Hey, wait a minute. Excuse me, little guy, but my nose is not a flower. The Newt crossed his eyes and wiggled his nose as hard as he could to make it fly away. Shoo! Shoo! Go away, please! Boop! The bee flew away super fast, and the silly Newt accidentally bopped himself. Ouch! Great galloping grasshoppers, that wasn't the bee, that was the bee was finally gone, and the dizzy Newt went happily back to reading his news. Well, at least it is quiet now. Back to the front page. Look! Look! This is letter O.
O is for octopus.
O is for orange. O is for oyster.
Once upon a time, a playful octopus was bouncing a bright, juicy orange in the ocean.
Boing, boing, boing.
Look at me!
But oops, he bounced it too hard, and the orange rolled right into a sleepy oyster's shell. Oh no! Come back, my beautiful orange sphere.
Snap! The giant oyster closed its shell tight, and the octopus couldn't pull it open. Then, the smart octopus got a super funny idea. He used his 8 arms to tickle the shell.
Aha! The oyster laughed so hard that it popped open and spit out the orange and a shiny pearl. Stop! Stop! Look! Look! This is letter P. P is for parachute. Parachute. P is for pizza. P is for penguin. Once upon a time, a hungry penguin was ready to eat a hot, cheesy pizza on a snowy mountain.
Waddle, waddle, waddle! But whoosh! A huge gust of wind blew the yummy pizza right over the edge of the cliff. Oh no, my pepperoni! Stop right there, you flying cheesy disc!
The brave penguin wasn't gonna lose his lunch. He put on his goggles and jumped right after it.
Never fear! Captain Penguin is... He zoomed through the air as fast as a rocket and pulled a special red string on his back.
Almost got it, just a little closer.
Pop! A giant, colorful parachute opened up, and the penguin caught his pizza perfectly, gophically in midair.
Look! Look! This is letter Q. Q is for quail. Is for quail.
Q is for quill.
Q. Q is for quilt. Once upon a time, a little quail was trying to write a story with his giant feather quill. Brr, it is so chilly today. But whoosh, a cold breeze blew his paper right up into the sky. Oh no! My blank page! The little quail needed to catch it fast, so he grabbed a colorful, cozy quilt to keep warm. Aha! But the wind blew so hard that the cozy quilt turned into a magic flying carpet. Whoa, steady there! He used his quill to steer through the clouds and snatch. He caught his paper. Steer left, Mr. Quilt.
Safe and warm, the happy quail wrapped up like a burrito and finally wrote his amazing story.
Ah! Look, this is letter R.
R. R is for roller skates. R is for rabbit.
R is for radio.
Once upon a time, a sporty rabbit wanted to dance on his cool new roller skates. Hop, hop! I am ready to roll. He turned on his red radio, but the rock and roll music was way too fast. Whoa, Nelly! This beat is too speedy. My feet are... The fast music made his skates go completely crazy, and he zoomed right down a huge hill. Ah! Look out below! The brave rabbit had to think fast. He reached out to change the radio station. Hold on. If I can just turn the dial and click, he found a smooth, funky song and started doing the coolest skate tricks ever.
Oh yeah! That is the perfect groove.
Check out this awesome spin move. Safe and sound, the groovy rabbit skated and danced happily all the way home.
Now that is how you rock and roll!
Look, this is letter S. The S for sunglasses.
Huh?
S is for sloth.
S is for skateboard. Once upon a time, a super slow sloth wanted to ride his brand new skateboard.
Hello, I can't wait to ride. He tried to push it with his foot, but he was moving way too slowly to go anywhere.
One, through, whoosh!
But the clever sloth had a great idea. He dragged his board to the top of a giant hill. Gravity
It's gonna.
be my best friend.
Whoosh! He rolled down the hill and suddenly he was the fastest animal in the forest. Whoa! This is absolutely amazing! Look at me go! Zoom!
He hit a big dirt ramp and flew high up into the clouds to do a super cool trick. Cowabunga! Extreme sloth sports are the best. He landed perfectly. From that day on, he was the coolest, fastest sloth ever. Please subscribe and watch the next part tomorrow.